Hey, I'm gonna go play Aether. Apparently, this game is about Edmund McMillen as a little boy, so... Okay, let's just play. A story is told of a boy who was lonesome, who strayed a bit far from his home. As the daylight grew dimmer, he saw a faint glimmer, lost in the wake of sea foam. For the boy had a feeling that this monster was kneeling to offer his hand to a friend. The boy darted away, but then turned to stay, afraid that the message he'd send. He lowered his head, and the boy bustled up, looking proud atop his new steed. For the boy had a venture, he was bound for adventure, and this monster had planted the seed. Looking up to the stars, he thought to himself, imagine all of the people up there. Could they all be as lonely, or am I one and only? Would the people on Earth really care? So our story unfolds a boy and his pet, leaving his home without care or regret. Truly a tale that none will forget. What is that Dr. Seuss shit? Ooh. Ugh. I feel like Spider-Man. I can go embark on my quest to, save... All I can think of is Gotham! Where does Peter Parker live? Shit. What is that popcorn? Is that popcorn? Who knows? Sometimes my stomach hurts. Mine too. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. I'll be happy when I'm dead. Aww. You shouldn't think that. At least no one can hurt me here. Well, yeah. I guess. I mean, none of those diamonds can frickin' fall. It's sad to be alone. True that, little thing. True that. So what I gotta do is I gotta swing from these without touching the ground. Huh! Damn it! Yes, I know it's sad to be alone. Now I really am Spider-Man, or Tarzan, one of the two. Done. No, now done. There we go. I made it happy! How cute! Oh! I thought you were gonna be happy too! I mean, I just made your plant happy again. Quit being a Debbie Downer. Ugh. How do I get out of here? Come on! I mean, I can't go save the world if I can't... Okay. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Bye, little things. Where am I going now? Hold on to your titties. Since I'm lazy, I'm gonna let this do its thing. What the fuck is it? Oh, it's a moon. How cute. How can the little boy breathe? Hey, what the fuck is that? What the what? Does it have like an air conditioning unit coming out of its ass? What the hell? I don't know, man. Edmund McMillen, you are one crazy bastard, and I love you to death. But air conditioning units in people's asses? Not cool. De basa. I can't jump as high. I can't walk as fast. Why do you look like me? Because I am you. How's that for M. Night Shyamalan? Get me up! Ew! I know what I gotta do on here is I gotta go around on all these things. Alright. Gotta make little circly things. That is not a circle. Alright, that is though. And that'll break it. Yep. Hey. Hey there, buddy. I'm gonna twirl circles around you, and you're gonna die, and then the people will be happy. Your people are happy. I killed your brothers, so now I'm gonna go kill you. Alright. Have fun in hell, pollution. How do I... There's no other cloud. There it is. Alright. I was scared for a second that I couldn't beat pollution. And I wouldn't be a good person. Bam. Ew, that's a gross smile. I'm sorry, planet, but it is. I don't know what's going on, man. At least there's no pollution left. Whoa! Whoa, calm your tits. Okay, let's go back into space where we theoretically can't, like, in real life, you'd be dead. I'm sorry, but your head would implode. And if that didn't happen, pretty sure you'd be sucked up by a black hole. Just saying. But then again, logic does not prevail in video games. What the... What? Alright, whatever. I'm back on Earth. What the hell? What? He's unhappy. Wasn't he happy when I was there? Aw, he said that I left. Poor Earth. Must have been real important. Well, that was a pointless trip. I mean, all it did was make me depressed that the Earth is sad that I left. Whoa, 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 whoa. Circles, circles. You know geometry, dude. Oh, accidentally moved the thing! Damn it! What is that? It's like a mushroom thing. Alright, not as bad as air conditioning units. Bibulon. I'll never amount to anything. They all think I'm dumb. Aw, who? Do you want someone to kick their ass? Oh wait, there's another face. One day I'll be great and show them all. Aw. Aw, you're so cute. I want you. I mean, I know you're schizophrenic and bipolar, but... I mean, and you have two faces, but... Aw. So what I gotta do here is I gotta get on top of these angry looking moons. No! Rain meter, what the hell are you doing? See, I gotta get on top of these moons. God damn it! See, perfect. I'll never go back home. Holy crap. Whoa, whoa. Sorry, I just sort of made a meteor fall into your fucking face. My bad. Quit going over it. Okay. Personally, I think he's pretty cool. Aw, you're a good person. Sorry I had to make you die. In the worst fashion ever. Quit smacking your face into the ground. Come on, I hit it. Come on, I hit it again. I mean, come on. Do I have to get, like, on top of it, which is physically freaking impossible? Come on, you're nudging it. I'll go home when he leaves. You're an asshole. I'm glad I'm driving you into the ground. Goodbye. Stupid. There you are. I hate him so much. You're an a-hole too. And you have a butt chin. Yay! I made people happy. But you're probably still bipolar because the characters don't change. Where are you? There you are. Yeah, that sad guy's still sad. Yep. Well, bye-bye, bipolar monster. Hope you have a great life, and don't become suicidal. Another weird thing? You have some sort of cancerous growth on you, Moon. I'm sorry for your loss. Whoa! Things are happening. Air conditioning ass! We meet again. He's trying to hit up cancerous growth over there. How unfortunate. They're not a cute couple. Great, way to fall. Way to fall. Nice, good job. That's totally our plan. Just fall and not make progress. What are those? I want it. Come here. Don't hurt me. Prepare your anus. Get it? Uranus? It's a planet, and we're in space. I'll go die now. This better not take me back to Earth. I don't wanna. I don't need to go to this last world. I'm back to Earth, damn it. I think. Yeah, the music tells me so. Mother of pearl, fire on the poop deck. And he won't calm his ass down so I can jump from cloud to cloud, damn it. Hopefully he won't take me back to Earth, because that'll be it. There goes fan ass. Okay, let's do this. Leroy Jenkins. Whoa, what the hell? Molasses. I'm in the water. Poker face. Whoa, what are you saying? Leave me alone. Will do, little buddy. Little boy? Little buddy? Little blah. I am leaving you alone, a-hole. There's another. Done. He's happy. How cute. But that guy under there is still an a-hole. Alright, time to go back to Earth. Buoyancy! Hey. I can now go join the circus. I mean, I'm riding a fucking monster for Pete's sake. Whatever happens to air conditioning ass? He probably has a story too. I want to know his story. Then we can air it and put it on MTV. Earth, I'm coming back home. So you don't have to be sad anymore. What the what? Alright. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna keep floating. Bye-bye. I passed that thing like 20 times. 21. Earth. Whoa! I just destroyed Earth. What? I'm falling. I'm a fallen. Space? Hi, that was the thing that I was on. As the boy delved in let's try this again. As the boy delved in deeper, his imagination went wild, and the grasp of reality was left from this child. The impact he caused broke his tie to the earth, but his fears and his worries has caused rebirth. Being lost in his dream, his imagination expanded, and with the aid of the beast he commanded, this boy would live on in the memories of past, and the boy would find hope in a future he'd cast. To be continued. Oh, they're gonna make a story about ass conditioner. Ass conditioner, yeah, that's it. Right. Well, thank you, Edmund McMillen. You are a legend.